In this episode of On Patrol, a teen male pulls up behind me in a pickup, gets out, and approaches me from the driver's side. This draws caution based on my experience, but the guy just wanted to inform me a patrol truck headlight was out, which I already knew. In part 2 of this episode, I observe a young woman and 2 children walking down a drive leading off the patrol property. I am concerned, so I check with her to be sure all is okay. In part 3 of this episode, I observe a young woman being harshly yelled at by a man. I watch to be sure things don't get physical. I then return to check on the woman to be sure all is okay.
Security, Syborg.
And combine those two because they both have to do with the proclamation of biblical truth. Preaching and teaching. That, as I see it, is the primary function of the church. The church is the receiver of the revelation of God, and therefore the church must be the...
You got a tail light out.
Yeah,
They're going to give you a ticket.
I got 2 low beam headlights out too. I'm done. I just got had the bright lights on.
Well, you have a good night.
Okay, you too.
We must be about proclaiming the word of God. I have had to grieve in my heart over a lot of...
This vehicle doesn't.
And everything's good. A lot of sort of, I call it counseling from the pulpit that goes on. There are a lot of sort of
Famed being a decent human
in the
being.
church. There are a lot of little classes that meet together where everybody feels their ignorance. Because nobody knows anything, they just sort of guess what the Bible
Gee, I wonder.
But the church has as a priority function the clear, understandable, direct, authoritative proclamation of the Word of God.
Miss, do you need any help or?
Our car has been in there for like 2 hours, so we're just wasting time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. I was kind of concerned. I thought maybe you didn't have a place to go or whatever.
Oh no, we're just walking around.
Okay. Oh. Hey, I just wanted to check on you. I saw what happened earlier, and I wanted to be sure you're okay. I could see you were upset. I don't want to intrude or anything, but you're not thinking about hurting yourself or anything like that, are you? Okay. Well, at any moment in our lives, we're usually better or worse than we have been at other times. So, is it getting better or is it getting worse? It's getting worse? Did he hit you or? He took. Have you ever filed a report?
I just called the cops and it's like...
Okay. Okay. All right, good. All right, well, I'll pray for you. God bless. You hang in there, okay?